You know, there was a time when I didn't do well with criticism. If you would try to critique me, I would I would snuff the critique. I would do this with the help of my Russian friend, Igor. Igor is so big, he couldn't fit in this camera, so I will just show you a picture of the vein on his neck. But today, I am a changed man.
Igor the Smart.
Ne сейчас, Igor, ne сейчас. You see, I discovered my divine feminine. I explored aromatherapy. I switched to grass-fed unsalted butter. I bought a salt lamp. I practice eye gazing with my male friends. And I removed and destroyed all the gluten in my fridge. I stopped to smell the flowers as I walked to work. And now, if one were to criticize me, I no longer seek to utterly destroy my critic. I seek to instead understand them. And so recently, a fitness instructor by the name of Coach Benny decided to question some of the science between Mindvalley's 10x fitness program. And rather than seek to completely destroy Benny, I rather chose to invite Benny to get in a Zoom call with me and the creators of 10x, Ronan and Lorenzo, to debate science, to see if what Mindvalley says about an optimized workout is actually scientifically accurate, and if what we say about how all other workouts are nowhere as efficient is scientifically valid. And we are going to make this battle of brains, this battle of wits, this battle of science and data open to everyone. So you are invited as well to come, to criticize, to look at our data, to look at our science, to poke holes in what we claim, to discuss with Ronan and Lorenzo the legitimacy of 10x. And maybe we will lose. In that case, we learn something. Maybe the entire fitness industry will see how powerful is 10x. And then together, we can change health and fitness globally. The event will be happening. When is the event happening? The event is happening at the date and time in the caption, on Zoom, open to everyone. And the Zoom link is in the caption of this Instagram video. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, the Zoom link is in the YouTube description. Basically, wherever you're watching this, the Zoom link is going to be somewhere in the description. Don't be an idiot. Just find the Zoom link.